Playing outside is a blast, especially when you get to dig in the dirt and get your hands covered in mud. But when you wipe off that heavy mud with a towel and your hands look clean, a hidden world is actually still swarming right on your skin. If we zoom way in on our skin with a powerful tool called a microscope, we find tiny living creatures called germs. They are so small that they are completely invisible to us without special equipment. Now, some of these creatures are good guys. Inside your stomach, helpful germs work hard to break down the food you eat. But there are also bad germs. These act like sneaky microscopic thieves. They love to hide on toys, on your doorknobs, and especially your hands, waiting for a chance to hitch a ride inside your body. If those bad germs sneak inside through your eyes, nose, or mouth, they start stealing the good stuff your body needs to grow. That is what gives you a cough, a runny nose, or a stomachache. Stopping these tiny thieves from getting inside is an important superhero mission to protect your body. Every hero needs a training base. Yours is the bathroom, and your ultimate weapon against bad germs is simple: soap and warm water. Soap is a germ's worst enemy. It breaks their sticky grip on your skin and traps them directly inside the bubbles. Look where to aim your weapon. Scrub the danger zones: your palms, between your fingers, and under your fingernails. Scrub for 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday twice to build up a thick, bubbly lather. Finally, you rinse all those bubbles away under running water, sending the trapped germs swirling down the drain so they can never bother you again. Using this bubble blast move right before you eat, or right after you finish playing, is the strongest way to keep your inner fortress safe. Sometimes germs try to launch a flying attack out of our bodies when we cough or sneeze into the air. This graphic shows the sheer speed of that. A single sneeze can shoot a cloud of germs out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. Catching a sneeze with your bare hands is a mistake. The germs will simply stick right to your palms, ready to spread to the very next toy or person you touch. Instead, you must use the elbow shield maneuver. By bending your arm and sneezing directly into the fabric of your inner elbow, you safely trap the fast-moving germs. You can also catch them in a tissue. Just make sure to throw the tissue into the trash immediately and wash your hands right after. Mastering the elbow shield protects you, but it also proves you are a hero by keeping your friends and family safe from getting sick. Your final battleground against germs is right inside your mouth, where microscopic sugar thieves try to dig into your teeth after meals. To stop them, you need your next gadget, a toothbrush loaded with a tiny pea-sized drop of colorful toothpaste. This shows the exact angle. Point the bristles toward your gums and brush in short, gentle circles for 2 full minutes. This scrubs away every sugar thief hiding on the front, back, and top of your teeth. When your 2 minutes are up, remember to spit the toothpaste into the sink. You want to send those germs away, not swallow them. Brushing carefully every morning and night creates a force field that keeps your teeth strong enough to chomp and chew your favorite foods. So the next time you head out to the playground to get messy in the dirt, you are fully armored. Washing your hands, blocking those sneezes, and brushing your teeth are the real-life superpowers that keep your body's defenses activated. Those tiny villains will always be invisible, and they will always be around us. But now you know the exact moves to defeat them. Use your hygiene superpowers every single day to stay clean, stay strong, and be the hero of your own health.